Today I'm gonna introduce you a modern halal cattle slaughterhouse abattoir built by our company. This line is with high automation, simple operation, hygiene standard, and convenient maintenance. Live cattle will go into the slaughtering pens from the trucks and will rest in the pens. Then the cattle will go to the weighing system for weighing through the cattle passageway. After weighing, cattle will enter the channel to the slaughtering box. We produce 3 types of killing box: Muslim rotary halal killing box, pneumatic stunning box, and live cattle shackling box. The rotary cattle killing box is hydraulic driving with 3 doors and 1 head fixing device. It can fix cattle well and rotate 180 degrees for killing by alcohol. It is very safe and high efficient. If cattle enters pneumatic stunning box, the door and head fixing device will fix cattle by pneumatic system, and workers will use stunner to stun cattle head and release the stunned cattle from the side door. Safety piles will protect safety for workers. Workers will shackle the cow hind leg by shackling chain and hoist the cattle to the bleeding rail by elevator automatically for killing and bleeding. A full 304 stainless steel blood collection tank will be placed under the bleeding rail. The bleeding rail track is automatically driven by motor. Cattle will be transported to the platforms for cutting horns and front hoof. Besides, workers will pre-peel cow buttocks, open and seal cow anus on the high platform, and pass cow hind hoof through the hoof chute to the hoof transport trolley, then transport to the hoof processing room for processing. The empty cow feet shackling chain will return to the feet shackling position through the return rail track automatically. Workers will use 2 roller hooks to hang the hind legs of the cow after rehanging and change from bleeding rail to carcass processing rail. A PLC automatic control system and a pneumatic feeding device will transfer the cattle to the carcass processing conveyor machine. Workers stand on the pneumatic lift platform, pre-peel cattle breasts and forelegs. Then, the cattle will be transported to the hydraulic hide puller machine, and it will remove the cattle skin automatically. After torn off, the cowhide will drop into the pneumatic conveying tank and blow to the hide room. Used leg shackling chain need to be put into the cleaning device for disinfection. The pneumatic leg spreader will spread cattle hind leg distance from 500 to 1000 millimeters. Workers will cut cattle chest with a brisket saw and remove white offals and drop the offals into the pneumatic picking gas chute. Then offals will slide to the white gas synchronous checking machine. Fixed white offal chutes and floor belt type white offal conveyors can also be adopted. After inspection, the checked and qualified white offals will slide into the processing room for cleaning. The dirt in the white guards will go into the pneumatic blowing system to be blown to the dirt room. The red offals will be removed and handed to the hooks on the synchronous checking conveyor. After inspection, the qualified red offals will be cleaned in the processing room. The used hooks will go through the cleaning device for sterilization. Workers will use half-splitting saw to split cattle carcass into half carcass. And then trimming and inspecting the half carcass. After trimming and inspection, the half carcass will go through the automatic weighing system on track for weighing. After weighing, the carcass will be cleaned by a high-pressure shower machine. Finally, the half carcass will be transported to the cooling room for acid discharging. After cooling, the carcass will be transported to quartering rail and platform. Workers will cut the carcass with a quartering saw and rehand the quarter carcass to the deboning and meat cutting room. Beef meat will be cut into pieces on the cutting tables and transported by belt conveyor. Beef will be put into the clean crates, which are transported by crates conveyor to the packaging room for sorting and packing. After packing, workers will weigh and make them ready for fresh meat delivery to market or put into cold room. Used crates will be sterilized and dried by the special crates washing machine. The full process are controlled by a PLC system. Thank you for watching.